Hi, I'm Tricia with PBM. Check out my tutorial on the first 30 days of building a reading life using the VariQuest Learning Suite. So the first thing I'm going to start with is our Perfecta, and I searched books and was able to bring up a ton of personalized posters that you can make for your classroom. The one I've chosen is to go with a book wall. And so can come here, you can personalize the print, the fonts, and the colors. And then all you have to do is quickly press print, and it's gonna get started printing. In under 2 minutes, I'll have my poster. Next, I'm gonna go to our sticker maker, which also does cardstock and prints on lots of different media. And as you can see, there's multiple stickers. So I have chosen the one for genre to include in the classroom library for the students and to give book recommendations as well as a reading log. So you can quickly choose that. If you wanted to personalize it, you could always personalize the academic language, the colors, the image. And now I'm gonna just go ahead and print it. So as you can see, I pre-cut bookmarks for my students to personalize for themselves to build that reader's life in my classroom and community. All I did was go to the cutout maker and choose bookmarks, and you can see that there's multiple options. There's more than 7 pages of bookmarks, so you could do this by genre, by unit, by subject type, for even social studies or science. So I'm gonna choose this one right here, and then it's gonna ask me my paper types and how many I'm going to want to print. So the awesome option about our cutout maker is that if you also invest in our cold laminator, you can cold laminate prior to cutting. So I could have had this cold laminated and easily been able to pick up multiple options of bookmarks that were already laminated for students to go, and they're a little bit more durable for the students to have on every day. So it's great for bookmarks, manipulatives, or anything else your students are gonna be touching on the daily in your classroom. And it just saves you so much time as a teacher, because we all know all of these things would have taken hours if we were doing it by hand. And as you can see, we already have printed our genre and reference bookmark for our students. And our poster printer was quickly printed in under 2 minutes. We have printed and cut all of these items to take back to our classroom for our students and our community to build lifelong learners.